HH-60 and C-130 on the line. SAR launch. Put the ready. H-60 and C-130 on the line. Vessel taking on water.
Lock it up, please.
We were working in tandem with a C-130 Hercules that day. Our mission was to search and rescue two brothers whose 26-foot sailboat was taking on water. They were about 250 miles out. In February, when you're alone in the Atlantic, that spells trouble.
City Air, Rescue Copter 6026. Any updates on the status of the two men on board?
26 E-City, roger. Status is unknown at this time.
One sentence doesn't exist for a rescue swimmer. That is, sir, I can't do it. They won't ever say that, especially if they see the survivor. Then it's their survivor and it's personal.
Rescue 6026, Camslant Chesapeake. The C-130 reports that the vessel is sinking. Survivors are in the water. Camslant 6026, roger that. Doug, time to fire up the night sun.
Everything comes down to one tight-knit team. We make the confirmed plan as a group.
I have a visual on the vessel. 10 o'clock at 200 yards. Boat is fully capsized. No sign of survivors.
Adrenaline can get to you. Bob's first time out, he jumped without his fins, and we've been calling him Flipper ever since.
I have a visual on two survivors. 9 o'clock at 75 yards. They've left the vessel. Roger that. Give me a checklist part 2 for harness deployment of the rescue swimmer. Roger. Preparing the hoist. Set backup pump on. Backup pump is on. Set hoist all. Hoist is all. Checking swimmer. Swimmer's ready?
At night, the sharks scare me. I don't pretend I'm not afraid. I work within my fear. I prepare for it. Rescue swimmers prepare for everything.
Swimmer going down. Swimmer halfway down. Roger. On ease. Pulling swimmer into the water. Swimmer away. Swimmer okay. Basket is away. Roger. Correct me advised we are bingo fuel in 20 minutes. Roger that.
Some people we rescue get combative. You're saving their life, but they're just so scared. They're fighting to survive in deep water.
Basket is halfway up. Basket is at 20 feet. Basket is at 10 feet. Basket is at the cabin. Basket going down. Roger that. Rick, we are bingo fuel inside. Roger. Get the rescue checklist part 2 to recover the rescue swimmer. Roger, sir. We have a foul cable here. It's bird cage within the hoist drum, sir. Can you get it out? Negative, we've lost the hoist. How's the fuel looking there, Frank? We are bingo fuel at this time. If we don't depart right now, we're not going to make it. Doug, can you use the ERD? Negative, I'm unable to pay out cable. Doug, see if you can get that raft down into the water. Let's drop the DMV and we'll see if we can't get the Hertz to relay, request another helicopter out here. Raft is away.
You face a challenge. There isn't anything you wouldn't do to meet it. That makes it hard when fate steps in.
Let's head on out of here. Let's depart the hover now. Be advised, we have a failed hoist and we are bingo fuel. Completed our emergency procedures, leaving the rescue swimmer on scene.
I knew I'd be in the water for a while, but I wasn't thinking about sharks. I was thinking how glad I was that we got those guys out. If you lose someone, it can haunt you for the rest of your life. I've never lost anyone, so I sleep at night. Well, most nights.
When they radioed us that Flipper was all right, we were just so grateful. When it's one of your own men, you feel it even more. You realize what a privilege it is to fly a helo. It's a chance to make a difference in someone's life.
It's the most beautiful sound you can wake up to.